So let me ask you a question.
Yes.
What would you do if I bought everything?
Which table? Top table?
Everything here, and then maybe not the Pokemon stuff. I don't really know anything about Pokemon stuff.
Okay, yeah, sure.
What? What, kid? Huh? You're scared? What are you scared of?
Yeah, that part there is $5.
I'm gonna come back to that.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, because you keep it 20.
Yeah, I'll take it. It's fine.
Yeah. But I can give you US dollar.
Thank you.
This is long time. This is from the 2.
Oh, wow. How's it going today?
Good, how you doing?
Not too bad.
Oh, look at it. A pack of cards.
Don't talk to me. I don't know nothing about that stuff. That's the kid's stuff. Come on.
Yeah.
The books are 4 for $1.
Oh, you have a pack of cards. So this one, how much is that?
That one there I could do 10. That one's a little older one. It's a good one though.
How do you know? You never know. You only have a lot to talk about.
Yeah, it's a deck. It comes with all these cards.
Oh.
Can I ask you prices?
Sure.
Everything that's not marked.
500, 200. No, I'm just kidding. So these here, the only ones I'm asking like 10 for are these two.
Okay.
These here are 5 apiece.
Okay.
5 apiece. 5 apiece and 5 apiece. Yeah. Are you talking about just the games, right?
No, like what do you got on like everything up here?
Oh, okay, yeah.
Hey.
Michael Keaton. I was trying to get 10 for him.
Okay.
Green Goblin, a couple bucks. Trying to get 20 for this guy.
Okay.
15 for this one. $5 for all those. 15 for this guy. 30, 10, 20, 5, you know, 5, 3. A lot of stuff's $5.
What about your Dragon Ball models and your Big Trouble in Little China?
I could do 20 for those 3 right there.
Okay.
I'll even throw in the puzzle too.
Okay. And then I don't know. Do I want Pokemon cards?
I never
What?
saw
These are
Pokemon
just.
card with these. Come with these.
I paid 10 for them. I'm selling them for 10.
Oh,
I got them at the store. I was like gonna open them, you know, with the kids and they
Right.
them, so.
So these are Pokemon cards
Yes.
too?
Yeah. There's packs in these. That's a deck. So that tells you exactly on the back what's in the box. It tells
Can
you
you
like.
sell cheaper?
I could do 10 for that one. I could do 5 for these.
How about 5 for these?
That one's 10.
These are already about $2.
Mm-hmm.
How about 7?
I could do 10. The only reason why is because it's an older one and it's expensive.
Okay, 8 plus this is already 10.
Yeah, funny. No, still 10. Sorry.
Oh my God. How much you bought these? I forgot. Maybe when you buy it's only $10 like that.
Oh well, possibly yes, but
Yeah.
yeah. Like I said, 10. That's I could do 10 on that one. This card here, right here, is worth over that. It's no, it's worth over 10, well over $10. Just that card alone, because it's a rare card.
Okay.
It works.
I
Pocket
trust
monsters.
you. Okay.
That's cool. Yeah.
Yep.
I trust you.
Yeah, kid. Hi. What'd you got? Book?
Thank you.
Found a dictionary?
For my
I know. It sells online. It sells online for 30. So that's why.
Yeah, she is in Australia, so she cannot. Otherwise, I would just take a photo. She can
Okay.
ask me
Here,
to
how about
go.
this?
Do you look at anything? These?
Excuse me 1 second. I'm gonna get something over here.
Okay, good. Take care. Yeah. Hi. Thank you. How you doing today?
But could you do 8 for this?
For what?
Is that
Oh yeah. I know. I understand where she was coming. I get it.
Right.
I was just like, I'm pretty sure I paid 20 for it.
So let me ask you a question.
Yes.
What would you do if I bought everything?
Which table? Top table?
Everything here, and then maybe not the Pokemon stuff. I don't really know anything about Pokemon stuff.
Okay. Yeah. Sure. So not the books then, right? Or you
I
want?
don't know. You tell me.
Okay. All right.
I mean, you get a price in your head, see what you think, and
Well, I always add it up, and I might have stopped a lot. It's not like I'm gonna be like, oh, plus tax.
right. Yeah, I'll let you come and look at your other stuff too, because I haven't looked at anything else. So.
Don't worry, they're not gonna sell you.
I like the office Lego thing. That's really cool.
Want any books on dating?
That's
Not
neat.
including the racetrack, right?
Yeah, no.
Okay. So I got 300. I could do 250.
250 for that?
And that's automatically minusing stuff from what I was adding up.
Okay.
Like while I was adding up, I even threw Keaton in there for $5. I was doing these for $5 left, so it came out to over 300, 250.
And that wasn't including the Pokemon stuff,
No.
right? Okay.
No. I'll throw this one in there for $8 now. Don't tell her. No, I'm just kidding.
And that got the
All that there, yeah.
okay.
I'll even throw that in there too.
Okay.
Do you have much on you?
Yeah.
Okay. Because I'm not paying for any of your stuff.
You're not paying for any of my stuff? Wow. How nice is that?
She's like, well, since you're, lugging out all the money there.
I'm also thinking how much trouble I'm going to get into with the wife when if I buy everything
Gotcha.
here. So
Gotcha.
Yeah, mom might kill you.
yeah, I mean, it's just there's some cool stuff here. So
Oh, I'll have a dictionary.
You can have it. You can
Thanks.
have it.
That's
If
so
it's
cool.
knowledge, I'm not going to charge you for knowledge.
Okay.
see, what do you say?
That's $1. So anything on that first card's $1, 5, and 10. Yeah, that's $1. It was open. I tried it, and yeah, it couldn't get it. It was like you think you're so close, and you're like 2 steps away.
Ooh, Anthem.
It's interesting. It'll get you going.
Up to you.
Yeah.
What were you also asking for your pop figures? I forgot. I was going to ask you that too.
And which ones? All the above?
Yeah, I don't know.
I like The Office and Batman, as you can tell.
Yeah, you got some cool stuff in there.
We got a, oh yeah, I got a puzzle in there too, I forgot about it. This one's awesome, I didn't get to build it. As pieces are falling out, wow. Look at me go.
Then you also got a Funko Christmas tree.
Yep, it's an office.
That's cool, little minifigures.
Mm-hmm.
That's cool. Yeah, I'm a huge Office fan too.
Yeah.
Diablo
Diablo 3.
Tyrael, yep.
Oh, this.
We like the same stuff.
Oh, it's good. Yeah. Found that at a shop, and I was
Oh
like,
yeah, there's a Target one. Yeah, they're selling them in the hard protectors.
mm-hmm.
The art series ones. They're cool. I don't think they did very well, but they're cool.
Can I
I
get
get the
Dundee?
Dundee. Yeah, I got that one at home. Yep.
Oh, there you go.
Lopan. Oh wow, that's nice. That's cool.
There you go. There's another exclusive.
Which one's that one? Oh, it's a DIY one.
Yep. Oh, and yeah, Tom Hanks. I like Tom Hanks. So.
That's cool.
Did you want me to?
Yeah, I mean, what were you
Sure.
thinking on
Yeah.
prices on these guys too?
Sure. Like most of them are gonna be like just like $5 a piece. This
Okay.
one here I just wanted 20 because he's rare.
Glow pan, yeah.
The glow in the dark one. Yeah, so it'd be like 120, $100 for that, $20 off.
Yeah, I'm definitely gonna buy those.
Okay.
I'll get that box from you. This I'm still debating this. I don't know. I know I definitely.
I have to buy it all.
I know I definitely want this stuff. This stuff is super cool.
Okay.
You said
Yep,
20 for that. So we're at
around
120.
for that. Yep.
Like I don't know if I need this.
It's an interesting set. Like you couldn't, like when I looked it up online, it was hard to even find it online for sale.
Was it like a Kickstarter kind of one, or
Yeah.
I mean it says IDW, so I mean imagine it was sort of mass produced, but sometimes I see these board games where they were Kickstarters and you only could get them through a Kickstarter or something, and it's cool. I don't have to buy all of it, but I sort of do. But
No, I got you. But yeah, if you with that and that, it would be like $350. I would bring it down to $320. Another $30 off, and I would even throw in some Pokemon so you can learn.
oh, geez, now you're making it tough.
Yep, $320. There's definitely value there if you would ever resell stuff.
I'm a reseller. Yeah.
Yeah.
I have a YouTube channel and everything. So,
Okay.
But so let me. Do you have like a PayPal? Would you do that? Or
I have Venmo.
I have Venmo too.
Yeah, I think I've Venmo.
Would you do Venmo?
Yeah.
All right, yeah, we can do that. I'll do it all then.
Okay.
I'm gonna do the pop send too. I'm gonna load up the car.
Bags?
Yes, please.
I have boxes.
Oh, even better.
Okay.
That's it.
Perfect.
Easy
awesome.
day.
Isn't it great, digital transactions now? What?
I don't know if Davy Joe's gonna think it's great.
Well, whatever. I think it's great.
It's gonna happen one day.
Yeah, it's, you know.
Do you want those too? Yeah, I'll throw it in there.
Yeah, sure. This hat was awesome too. I mean, literally, I walked up and I saw that. I was like, that's so cool. Where'd you get this one from? Do you know?
Japan.
Really?
Yep.
That's so cool.
Yeah, I was stationed over there.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You know what, I'm gonna grab that first box and bring it to the car. Yeah, right over there. Oh, this one, if you want, this one's super light. It's all pop figures. If you want to throw that in the back seat, maybe. I just realized I'm making you put all this stuff in there by yourself.
No. It's all good.
Oh, I just bought that, man.
It's very nice.
Are you a Batman fan?
This is nice. This is 1980s.
That's cool.
I threw in some Pokemon already.
Oh, awesome. Thank you.
Let me get you a little box for that.
Sure, yeah, I'm gonna take this one to the car. I'll be right back.
Yours too.
Yep.
What Huggy?
Huh?
You bought Huggy?
I still got another big box coming. Still got more stuff. You guys can stay at the car, it's fine. Unless there was more stuff you were buying from them. Oh, I already bought all those.
Sorry, it's okay. I don't have a PS4 anyway. No, my apologies.
There you go. That's for that last one there.
What were these things?
Pencils for the coloring books.
Oh, cool. She'll use them.
Where's your vehicle? Okay.
Were you giving me the big guy too, or not?
Yes.
Okay.
Sorry.
I'll throw it in this one here. Oh, it's right over here with the trunk up. You don't have to bring it over. I can come back for it. Appreciate it. It's just a lot of empty bags.
Is that good there?
That's perfect. Yep.
So how do we find you online? Like, so I can watch your videos?
Sure. Hang on. I'll give you my. I got a sticker.
Oh, even
Yeah,
better.
you can remember. I have new ones, and I left them at home today. But I always
Can't wait
keep
to watch your video and be like, hey, look at this, I suckered this guy.
leave me some comments when it goes out. It probably won't be out until like, gosh, probably end of September.
Okay.
So I get a lot of stuff.
I drove back. I give you this for souvenir. Thank you for the car.
Oh, you sure?
Yeah.
Oh, thank
I'm
you.
going to Canada again, so I'll get tomorrow.
Oh, wow, thank you. Appreciate it. You take care.